As this module, Marketing in Context, progresses, we will explore many contexts in which the 21st century marketer must find a role and a pathway for career building. Later on, we will put under our microscope the contexts of social media, charity management, other not-for-profit management, the context of politics, global and regional integration, small and medium-sized business, business-to-business, arts, events, tourism, and even the context of the moment, Brexit and Remain, all contexts in which brands can play a major part, and where the building of brand value has an important and mostly unrecognized role to play. But for now, we're going to cast an eye over the context in which marketing was first labeled marketing and grew to sophistication in the 20th century, the context of capitalism and commerce, where humanity still strives to grow material wealth, where the profit motive rules and where the marketer must be effective by its rules, merely in order to survive, let alone stand out as a key player and career builder. So let's ask ourselves a question. How do you see our planet evolving in the next 50 years or so? A place where money doesn't matter? A utopia without materialism? Or a place where money still rules? A place where human beings continue to accumulate money as they have for thousands of years? Much as I'd like to think we'll have found a kinder alternative to capitalism and its offspring, money, by the end of the century, I suspect that both will still be around for a good while. I would, however reluctantly, bet on capitalism. So let's take an overview of capitalism, the field on which marketers must compete and by whose rules we marketers have to play. In essence, it's simple. Those who have more assets than they need to live and have fun, the owners of the surplus, assets, capital, see them as investments, or savings, we might say, and the sole objective of the owner or investor is to grow his assets. We are all owners of capital to some extent. We all have some savings once we start getting paid. Even if we don't save directly and deliberately, our government is saving on our behalf for a pension. In a way, we are all capitalists. So we all have assets, and every capitalist, rich or poor, wants his assets, his savings, to grow. Greed, Gordon Gekko said in Oliver Stone's Wall Street movie, is good. Agree with Gordon or not, he writes the rules, and we have to play by them. More about capital, its management, and the role of marketers in the next class.